Alright, bro. You good?
What?
Just having trouble kicking it over?
Yeah.
You want me to give it a shot, bro?
Yeah.
Sorry.
I don't remember exactly how to start this thing, too.
Nope, we're in gear. There we go. Alright, now we can get her. Alright, bro. Keep on the gas a little bit, just so she's warm, and she'll be good. Alright, bro. Nice. Yeah, bro. Yeah, man, it's good. Oh, there you go. Do it again. Woo! Feel pretty good. Atta boy. All right, boys. All right, guys, we're back at the track. Woo! Look at that roof! Wow! Ha ha! Woo! The ruts are real bad today. We got a whole bunch of rain past couple days. Whoa. Whoa. Can't believe I didn't crash just then. Holy. Yeah, I know, bro.
I can't see.
Dude, I almost crashed down there. Yeah. Again, but I didn't. Almost, though. Yeah, bro, them ruts right now, they're bad. Come on, that rain, they're deep. They opened up again.
I know, it's bad.
All right, where's David at? Well, I'm sliding all over the place. Uh-oh. I'm gonna turn around. Yeah, look at these ruts. All right, I'm just gonna go put this on a tree and help David out. That doesn't count as a crash. I'll park it right there. Okay.
It's all over again, just not Lauren this time.
What's up?
It's all over again, it's just not Lauren this time.
Dude, this is deep.
Yeah, I know, it's muddy.
Yeah, I'm sliding. Oh, he's good. All right.
Neutral and start it.
Yeah, bro, I'm sliding all over the place. I'm like drifting all over.
I know, you see that new tire I found?
Yeah.
That's sweet.
It's for... Damn, look at how good these look. Woo! Put those on the other night.
Wait on it.
Tell him to get down here and kick it on flat ground.
He is.
Okay. Dude, that rain's making these ruts bad. Bad. Give me a hand, bro. Yes.
They probably flooded out.
Yeah.